How many people do you work with every day? And how many applications do you use? Many of us spend an hour switching between 4 to 6 every single day. That's a lot of inefficiency. There's got to be a simpler way to get your work done, right? Introducing Lark, the next-generation collaboration suite for teams of all sizes. All conversations, documents, and meetings are just a click away. So what's inside Lark? First is our integrated messenger. Chat, reply with fun emojis, send audio messages, and more to make work communication easy. Lark is able to auto-translate messages from over 100 languages you receive for all chats. Don't want to lose an important message or document in a group conversation? You can pin any item for easy access later. If you need some FaceTime with global colleagues, you can simply check your team's availability and launch a video call right from any chat group. Lark Video Calls provides a seamless video conference experience with unlimited minutes and live subtitles for up to 100 participants. Collaborate on docs without leaving the video call window, and scroll at your own pace so that you can catch up on your own if you join a meeting midway with an optimized view on any device. Lark Docs allows you to create interactive documents with rich content. Create and modify files in the cloud, from documents to spreadsheets, without switching to other applications. Everyone can edit online at the same time on the same file. Include rich content such as images, polls, and videos that can play right in the doc. You can tag Lark Docs or team members with an @ mention to get their attention, and even translate entire docs in one click. As a document's owner, you control who gets to modify it and who can only take a peek. The best part? Everything in Lark is synced in real time, so your current versions are always available in our mobile app, even offline. Next up is Lark's Connected Calendar, which makes meetings and scheduling a breeze. Enjoy a single view of multiple calendars and time zones so you can pick the right meeting time for your global team. With one click, you can launch a dedicated chat or notes and assign tasks to coworkers with due dates and auto reminders. You can also access Lark video calls from any calendar entry, so your whole group can meet face-to-face. Lark Mail redefines the email experience by integrating your emails with other essential work tools. When sending an email, you can include an entire group chat as your recipient, so that you don't have to type each email address individually or create new email groups. Send a doc in an email and clearly view and change access permission for your recipients so you can say goodbye to access denied. And to unify your work experience, you can download apps from the Lark Workplace, integrate functional third-party apps, and even create your own bots to fulfill your work needs. Lark, how tomorrow works. Get started for free today.